I'm hot.
My friend, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you for coming.
I'm tired of making crochet already.
No, we are looking outside. Because you have a neighbor who is very sick.
Thank you so much.
Cancer.
Yeah, you see, you are very rich, and if you are sick, you're wealthy. Your wealth is not
My
useless. I
friend,
mean,
TV channel,
you have
ganito
a
yung
lot of
connect.
money, but once you are sick,
Ganito yung connect.
your money cannot leave you.
That's what happens to our neighbor. Look their house. Look their house.
Yeah, very big house, 3-story house.
Beautiful house, car, tractors, vineyards, money. Facing a really big problem.
Yeah. Well, it's very, maybe the thing, the way you put the thing, because wait. No, my head is, yeah, no, you see, if I do like this, they cannot see me.
Because the screen is not only your head. You can see everything.
Oh, saan po kayo now? We are in Spain.
In a village.
In a village, I mean. We are in the village. One of the village in La Rioja, Spain.
North of Spain.
Yeah, north of Spain. Spain. Malapit lang kami sa France. 2 hours, right? 2 hours? It's already France.
Yeah, or less than 2 hours.
Yeah. Kaya malamig dito pag winter. Kumpara mo sa sa Madrid.
My friend,
Ikaw, saan ka ba, Noel?
connect here.
That's what you're saying?
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Yeah, Tagalog.
Bawat sibok ng puso.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ayan. Ipin nga muna natin to si
Pinas? Why? It didn't appear here. Okay. Pinas po. Yeah, it's now. It's appear here. Oh, nasa Pinas ka pala. So, gabi na. What's the time now? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Oh, it's already 1 o'clock in the morning there. Manila, San Mateo, Rizal. San Mateo, Rizal.
See, that's what you have to do. Instead of talking shit in the phone, talk with us people.
Oh, hello, sir. Sabi niya, hello, sir daw.
What?
Hello, sir. He said hello to you.
Hello. Thank you.
He's out. I don't know. Maybe he will go to the kitchen.
Yes.
I connect you, my friend.
I'm going to investigate the refrigerator.
Yeah. Better bring me also water, please. Yeah, very thirsty.
I connect you. Kasi na siya siya balay ito.
Wow. Bakit ka pa? Bakit gising ka pa? Dito pa lang 7 o'clock in the evening. Pero may may araw pa. Pag summer, dito may araw pa hanggang 10 o'clock in the evening. Pero ngayon, it's lesser kasi
Please watching
winter is
me.
coming.
Watch yung video, sister.
Gutom na dito ngayon sa
Ask
amin.
TV channel. Gan watching to your channel. 3 minutes. Gan watching.
Bakit
Okay.
hindi makatulog?
My
I
friend.
just took a nap
Ayan,
lang.
tama na to.
Nagigising ko lang din. Nakatulog
Thank you so
lang.
much. Sir Gran, salamat Sir Gran. Thank you so much Sir Gran. Thank you so much Sir Gran. Thank you. My friend, thank you so much. Ayan, tingnan natin. Malulubat na yung kong isang cellphone pala. Kaya ganyan na lang. Hello. Sir Gran, thank you so much. Balik.